waistband's too tight and there's a zipper. Well, I have a solution. I'll show you what it is. Coming up. Here's Chanel here bringing you weekly videos to help you get better and better with your fashion sewing. And be more creative too. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. So a friend of mine gave me this skirt a couple years ago and I love the pattern. And I wear a lot of black tank tops in the summertime and in the wintertime, in the springtime and in the fall. I used to wear nothing but white and I got a little heavier, and then the black just makes me feel better. I feel bigger in different colors because colors will, you know, kind of, it's a whole theory. Anyway, where was I? About the skirt. So I love this skirt pattern right here, and it fit at one point. The waistband, it's basically, you can kind of see it's just a little bit cinched in here. It's kind of cinched in there, which tells me there's some room. If I cut it off, cut this whole band off, I bet it'll kind of just stretch out, and that's all I need. I just need a little bit more. And there's a invisible zipper in here too. So I'm just gonna cut, I'm gonna put the zipper down and cut this right through the zipper. And as long as you block the end of it off, because if you look at a zipper, it just has like a glue piece right here and it stops it from going all the way through. I did that the other day. I had a zipper and I just pulled it up and I was like, oh really? And then you have to like wiggle it, get it all back in there. But I can keep the zipper, and because I might need it to put it on because it's kind of well fitted, but it just needs a little in the waist, just a little bit. And if you know me, I love my fold over elastic. So I should have stock in this company. I really should. Dritz, just the elastic part. So, but I'm just gonna use this fold over elastic right on here and then add like a little hook and eye to the elastic part, so it doesn't have to go all the way around. It can actually just be here. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Right, I'm going to start first by measuring this board. I don't even have to really take a measurement, but I'm just going to go from this first line here, stretch it out, right about there, and then when I cut it off, I want to see if it grew. So then I got to get in here and cut through here. I'm going to put the zipper down, and I want to cut kind of right there because I don't really want to lose a lot of length. I'm literally going to cut right through the zipper. If it doesn't work, I can always replace the zipper. Here. Yeah, and I'll just got my Pelican shears out because I wasn't sure. It'd be easier to cut it this way, yeah. Because I don't want to lose a lot of length in this skirt, so I want to get it right off there. And I'll just cut this off. See if it grew. You can already see it's like stretching right there. I better get a couple inches out of here. I'm going to guess 1.5 inches. Right off there. It's had a belt loop. I wonder if it had a belt. Right here. I gotta get that zipper off of there. Make sure my... Alright, got it cut. Now I gotta put a safety pin right here, right away, so that I don't accidentally pull this up like I usually do. It'll stop it. Then I'll go, oh yeah, don't go all the way through, because then you spend an hour putting it back together. So actually, as wide as this is, I could probably lose that zipper. Yeah, because it went to, wow, it went to 5 inches here. So, or 5 inches more. I think I'm just going to take out the zipper and, yeah, why have a zipper? And then I'll just do that. So, wow. Oh, this zipper is really in there. What is going on? Oh, this all went, oh, it went further down. Okay, it's like, wow. Yeah, I'll just take that zipper out, and all I got to do is zipper, these look hard to take out. Actually, all you gotta do is get it started. Pull this right here. Just get it started is the hard part. Some of these good clothes are not gonna zip. See, I lost that, so now this has to work. I'm gonna, this is stitched in here really good. Sometimes I pull them, but it doesn't always work. There it goes. Look, zipper's out. Now I have to close up the seam. Nice. Just close the seam up, close up the other seams, and pull all these threads out. Let's get it right back where it was going. Those invisible zippers are easy to take out. You can just pull them. It depends on, the fabric. If it's a really light fabric, I wouldn't do that. You want to just pick it out. Sometimes you just pop these out a little bit here and then help it to pull out. You can just go like every 3 or 4 stitches and then loosen it up and then pull it. All right, I'm going to close that up, and then I can put the elastic on. Sewed all the seams. I didn't need to stay stitch it because I just went ahead and sewed the seams. And then I marked my side seams, and I put a little notch where my center front and center back is going to be. Then I'm got my elastic around my waist and measured it 1/4 inch, and it's about that much difference. Wow, it's kind of like where it was. And this fabric's a little heavier, so I want to make sure my elastic's a little tighter so that it stays on, doesn't fall down while I'm walking. I'm just gonna wrap that over there. It's like the fold over elastic, and then my 1/4 I'll be putting right here. Make sure my seam is open. Oops, bummer. I always do that. So this is right here. I have to actually push it this way. And then, kind of mind-boggling a little bit. Go that way, and the other 1/4 goes this way. What I'll do is just sew this 1/4 at a time, and I stretch it as I sew. It's not much stretch in there, like that. And then I'm just going to zigzag this right here. And if you need further instructions on these, if you do this to your skirts, I have a video out on how to use this fold over elastic. It gives a lot of details here. So I'm just going to like this, pull, and zigzag. And my next one is on the other 1/4. Looks like I might have to go, better go tighten that one before I do that. I'm going to do that, and one there, and then I'm going to zigzag my elastic. Hola! Wow, this gets the...
That was easy.
Easy button. I wish I did this last year. I would have worn it. Man, I think last year I put it on, I was like, it zipped, and I'm like, oh, it's just a little tight. You know, when it's hot outside too, in the summer, you want to wear comfortable clothes, you don't want to be like a waistband digging into you. So wow, now I'm gonna wear this. I just love this print. It's so bold and looks great with my usual black tops. And wow, I'm excited. Get to wear this. So go take a look in your closet. Are there any skirts in there that you're not wearing because it's just a little tight? And if you just took a minute to adjust it, you could do it. You got to get over the fear of cutting into it and cutting the waistband off. But just always measure twice, check it, check it out. Don't just cut it, because I don't even do that. Nope, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do, but not really. Anyway, go in and rescue a few of your skirts this week. All right. Hopefully you got something valuable out of this video. Got a little braver, and I'll see you in the next sew bit.